what's up? Welcome back to Sidey's vlog. Hope you all are doing great. We are back again with another reaction video. It's been few days. We were quite busy, so that's the reason why we were not able to come up with reaction videos for you guys. So here, bang on, we are here today to react again, and the song that we are gonna react on is from Helak, guys. Yes, Helak, and this is the dish to MC Stan, guys. Do not mind, and there's no offense to anyone, okay? We are just here to react, and this is just an entertainment for you guys, so keep watching us and stay connected with us. And the song is
Yeda.
People.
So guys, I think one disclaimer, right? So it's a tough thing to do. This is a direct diss from Helak to MC Stan, and we have reacted on Helak song as well as MC Stan. So we will try to be honest about everything that we hear and see.
Yeah.
So no offense to both the artists. I think they both are good, and we are playing the middle way, right? You guys understand. But we will be honest with what we liked and what we didn't like. So with that, watch till the end because we will not stop the video, but we will give our opinion at the end. So with that,
let's get into the reaction.
Reggae. Okay.
That's nice, babe.
Bob Marley.
So, ये मेरा स्कूल ओल्ड भी है न्यू भी तू मैंने फिर कूल हिप हॉप पे तू न्यू भी और तेरा मुझे हुल तूने देखने क्या धूल तेरा गाना ओवर रूल जो ना किसी को कबूल बिना फ्लो बिना स्किल के तू रैप में एक फूल रिपीट पे पहचाना जो गाना ये समझा नहीं फ्लो मेरा चॉपर तो चॉपर में रखता नहीं फाइटर थे मुंह पे दुपट्टे तो अगले का चेहरा बेहाल रैप ये बेताल मैं जैसे विक्रम ना किसकी मजाल जो पंगा ले तूफान का शान बोले रैप शीट रैप करना आसान है शान को मैं गिनता नहीं किधर पर इधर वन फैन उत्तर दे गाली सेम उसके एक से पलटी मारी इधर पन खारी और उधर पन खारी क्या पब्लिक को नाम देके शॉट देके हो जाता फन बोले बम्बल रैपर रखता मिलन के पास ये में कापर छोटे बोला वापर है गांड उठाकर बन के रैपर लेता तू एड़े की चादर और पहले से जाता तू हिप हॉप के सीन में मैं हूँ तेरा फादर तू बटन पे बटन खाकर कर रहा मंदों के गले वाला देकर लगता तू यूएस का यो बंटा रैपर सपने देख खट्टे के सोता हिलाकर सजा तू बम्बई के सदना के लिए वो सदना फ्लेक्स कर रही हल्ला का खाकर वो सलन में आकर वो कमर झुका कर और मुझसे गुजा करती कुछ मेरे बेड पे आवाज निकल कर हेट करते सांस मुझे तेरी छपरी इन्हें नहीं पता तू है कितना घपली तू कितना लपरी तड़पती मछली छे गाना एक स्टोरी जो थी नकली आ रहा था स्टेशन पे छोड़ने को मेरे को पर रास्ते में छपरी को पब्लिक बैठली खाया टपली पब्लिक बोले रुका के रैप करके दिखा नहीं तो देखो शॉट जाने की गान पर के चार खाता ओमी से मार 307 करेगा छाटू दूसरे के केस में हुआ जमा तू उसकी ही कर रहा था इतनी हवा तू एड़ी चाली करेगा तू खाएगा तू फटके हैशटैग भी मेरा ही कॉपी था किया ना छक्के शोर कर रहा है लाख से देखो लगा छोड़ देगा तूने नहीं सोचा कि सारे पोल खोल देगा फटके का टोले के डंडे से चोर जाटू पब्लिक को लूटता था रास्ते पे हाउसी तो इतना के खा जाएगा लंडी बस्ती की हस्ती नहीं बस्ती की रंडी सुबह सुबह उठ के इससे गंदे का गन नहीं इसने उसके अब्बा का लंडे का लंडे का टाइम हो गया तेरे पब्लिक के लेने के फिर रात में तेरे और अगली बार कल्याण में दिखना नहीं बच्ची तो मुझसे रस भरी तेरे मैं मार दूंगा घेरे तू वोट नहीं बच्ची तू वोटा है हगने के बाद यूज होने वाला लोटा है सर तेरे एक्स का एक कॉमन कहना है बेड पे तू गुस्सा और रन तेरा छोटा है वैसे तो तू लिरिकल बन भी नहीं सकता क्यों लिलपम के लौड़े का स्टाइल जो टोपा है फक दैट इसे बड़ा गाना लिखना तेरे ऊपर वक्त नहीं नशे का टर्की और खट्टे का ठरकी भी मारने को मुझे से भेजी थी लड़की भी कभी अपनी दोस्त तो हुई सकती तेरे और उस लड़की में फर्क नहीं ज्यादा तू छपरी मैक्स वो तुझसे भी ज्यादा घुमाया जो हाथ मेरे हाथ पर लगा ये बोले मुझे लड़की का क्या है ना ज्यादा फर्क नहीं जाता लौड़े का गैंगसा जानी की आइटम है मर्द उससे ज्यादा सस्ते माइक पे तू करता रिकॉर्ड भाई कम से कम मुंह से लड़ निकल के गाता लाइव में आगे बोले ब्लास्ट कर डालेंगे सुतली बम फोड़ने में गांड फट जाता तू पैसे चुराता था पब्लिक के जो टाइम पे वो टाइम पे यूट्यूब पे गाना में डाला गाना तमाचा जो आना बाकी था तमाशा जो कल्याण में होके हुआ था वापस भी करना था हिट जो मिला था और इस बार तेरे को कल्याण ने नंगा घुमा था छाटलैक्स
Okay. Good. I think.
Yep.
We will have an opinion now.
Guys, that was the dish from Helak to, we all know, right? I need not explain about it because it's again the personal issues what they're having so far. And if I have to talk about the overall song, okay, I loved the music beat, the way it started with that Bob Marley feel, you know, so that's what I felt.
Yeah.
And music was like awesome. The way he wrote is something again personal, right? Actually, both of them are good in their own ways, right? If you have to talk about Helak in his own way and MC Stan in his own way, right? So let's hear it from Sailesh as well.
Absolutely, I could not deny anything that she said, right? But I'll be honest with all of you, right? It's a tough thing to do, to react on two of the good artists, right? So one from Bantai family and one from MC Stan. So we have done reaction on both of them. We have done 3 reaction on MC Stan, Broke is a Joke, I'm Done, and the collab with the Seedhe Moth, right? So we have been honest in all the reactions that we have done for MC Stand and even for Helak. So I personally liked his flow, and I'll be honest with all of you, right? But the point is, see, I think we are comparing 2 different genres. Although it is hip hop, but MC Stan is master in mumble. Nobody can deny that, and it's touching, it's catering to a lot of his audience who likes that kind of music. And the good thing is, a lot of people are inspired by what he's doing. So we saw Aman Kalakar, and now we saw some guy called MC Insane, right? So he is also a big fan of MC Stan. So I think he has his own fan base. Helak that way is brutal. When it comes to this, I think this is what this is.
Direct.
See, the point is, I'm not saying what he told him to MC Stan is right. But how you do a diss, I think this is how you do it. And one thing what I couldn't understand is they were good friends. That's why a lot of personal things are coming out, right? So it happens between friends, like those log mein chalta hai ye sab, right? So that is one thing which I get from this. But see, one is Chopper Flow, the way he raps, he is good, no doubt. Helak is good. But what MC Stan is doing is like, he's bringing a new style, right? And a lot of people are inspiring from what he's doing. I think we need to appreciate both of these guys and not demean anyone. See, the personal issues, everybody will have that, and he's just talking it out. Whether it is true, false, we don't know. We give a damn. But the point is, he talked about some of the cases and all those things. We don't know. So I will not be able to tell, right? We both will not be able to tell whether he was right or MC is right. So that is their personal, they will sort it out. But from a hip hop reaction point of view, I think his flow was good. And the way it was presented to us was nice. But whatever he said is true or not, we don't know. Because we are not a judge to tell that, right? So, but we loved both of them again. And may they become greater artists, right?
Yes, people, and having said that, if you all are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and support Sailesh and Dimple. We are here basically to entertain you guys, right? Hope you all are enjoying watching our videos, and take care. Bye bye.